Je vous demande d'accueillir le fondateur et président d'Advantech, Monsieur Chaney.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Chaney. I'm coming from Taiwan. Okay. Today is really my great honor to be invited on the stage in such a big event to talk about our vision about IoT, Internet of Things. So in the next 13 minutes, I'd like to share with you our vision about IoT. And also I'd like to share with you what Advantech can provide the product and service to make your job much easier in the IoT age. So please allow me to make a very brief introduction of Advantech first. Advantech was established in 1983 when I was young. It's 33 years ago in Taipei. And after 33 years, we are now grown as a global company. We have 8,000 employees globally. Among the 8,000, 3,000 in Taiwan, 3,000 in China, and we have 2,000 globally, including Europe. And our sales revenue last year is 1.2 billion globally. And this year, we are going to achieve 1.3 billion. This is the growth trend, the milestone of success of Advantech in the past 10 years. We grew steadily in the past 10 years, except year 2009. And our mission is to double our sales revenue in 5 years from year 2015. So it means we expect to achieve 2.4 billion sales revenue by year 2020. As I mentioned that now Advantech is not only a Taiwanese company, we are a global company. We have sales operation in 23 countries. We have 2 major manufacturing facilities, one in China and one in Taiwan. And our sales revenue distribution mainly in North America, which is 29% of our total revenue. China, 24% of our total revenue. Europe is our very important market, although it's only 15%. But France contributes 4% of our total revenue. So France is the most important market for Advantech in Europe. That's the reason why I'm here. And I'm very happy to work with a strategic partner, factory system for so long, to penetrate, to provide the service in France. In terms of the IPC, industrial PC, Advantech have very close to 30% of the market share over the years. And we are the leader, global leader in the industrial IPC. And also we have built out our eco-partner from the chipset to the like Intel, like ARM, like Freescale, to all the software companies like Microsoft, like Alibaba, and also Amazon, Microsoft. Okay. So our mission is to enable an intelligent planet. Okay. So let me talk about the IoT. What's IoT? Internet of Things. One of my customers from Japan asked me, Chaney, what's IoT? Tell me what's IoT. I told him that this IoT is Internet of Things. So no. In Japan, they say IoT is I only talk. No landing. Everyone is talking about IoT. Everyone talking about IoT is huge potential. It's a 40 billion device in the world by year 2020. And according to the Gartner report, that the IoT will reach 11 trillion market value by year 2020. It's a huge again. So everyone is talking about the IoT. But until today, in France, I realized the IoT is really to taking off because we have CFOX, Mr. Raymond Doris. I think France is really a country with innovation in the IoT. You are the first mover in IoT. And Taiwan will become your strategic partner with France. We will provide the excellent, cost-effective hardware to work together with your innovation in France. So we, Taiwan and France, we can work together to make the IoT fly in the next few years. So IoT is not a new thing. Actually, IoT started with year 2000 when the internet became popular. And remember in year 2006, Intel launched the first Wi-Fi computer, notebook with Wi-Fi, Mr. Centrino, right? Wireless. This is the first time wireless become reality in the world. It's only year 2006. And at that time, Intel said, everything is going to be connected, which will create an unbelievable service you never have. In 10 years ago, but nobody believed that way. But today, you will see that's happening now. And IBM in 2009 raised the concept of smart planet. They say that the planet will become much smaller, much smarter, because of the ICT technology. And in China, in 2009, they also raised concept of sensing China. They are talking about sensing technology. Everything will be connected through sensor. And at Advantech in year 2010, we make our mission and every intelligent planet as our corporate mission. And in year 2011, Germany issued the Industry 4.0. And China started to talk about smart city. Everyone is talking about smart city and also Industry 4.0. So this, I think, the IoT is just started. I believe IoT will have at least a 40 years life cycle. And we are just in the beginning. Everyone has the opportunity. And I believe France, the first mover, will enjoy the much of the potential together with Taiwan, with Advantech. Okay, let's look at the structure of IoT. What's IoT? So IoT starts with the sensor layer. All the devices will be connected seamlessly through sensor technology. So the wire sensor networking is the first foundation. Then all the sensors connect the data through the IoT gateway, or we refer to it as an edge intelligent server. So all the data of the device coming through the gateway, and then through the middleware, send all the data into the cloud to do the big data analytics to become intelligent. And in the IoT value chain, I think system integrator will still play a very important job in the total IoT value chain. So this is the structural key component of IoT: sensor, gateway, big data, and also system integrator. Okay, so this is the Internet of Things value chain. It starts with the silicon, module, connectivity, platform, software, application, and then to the customer. So the value chain of IoT is quite large. The gentleman just left from CFOX. They provide the connectivity, wireless connectivity service. Advantech, we cover most of the value chain, from the module to the device to the platform. Okay. As you know, the disruptive technology always change the industry, change the game rule. Nobody will predict Nokia is a king of the smartphone will be destroyed, will be died in 2 years because of iPhone. Because the iPhone with the iOS, with the iTunes, with all the new technology, disruptive technology to change the industry. So I believe in IoT technology that will also disrupt some of the industry, especially the industry from automation. So I will share with you 3 key disruptive technology in IoT. First one is the sensor technology. Second one is the wireless networking. Third one is the big data analytics. Talking about sensor, as I mentioned earlier, sensors are the most critical element in the IoT era. IoT era cannot be realized without sensor. Sensor is extremely important. And also, the challenge of IoT is also the wireless connectivity, power consumption, security. Because IoT is really complex. IoT will be landing in many of the vertical markets, from the automobile to the industrial, to the medical, to the agricultural, to everywhere. Okay. So the sensor revolution trend, I think there's a 6 trend in the sensor technology. First one, the sensor will become smaller and smaller because of the semiconductor technology and also the mesh technology. Make the sensor become very small. The smallest sensor nowadays is the 0.8 times 0.8 millimeter, very small, with the sensor and moisture sensor. The second one is the sensor fusion. So now in the market you can get a package, a sensor module with different kind of sensor. Could be accelerator, gyro, or mathematics together in one sensor. So you will see many sensor fusion. The third one is the integration. The sensor will integrate with the SoC, the MCU, and also the connectivity, no matter it's a Sigfox or a LoRa. So MCU, sensor, and the connectivity together in one package. That's the trend. It must be very cool, very low power, because customer cannot accept you need to change the battery every week, even every month or every year. So they expect that the battery can lasting for 5 or 10 years. And last one is the accurate. In the past, the sensor not so much accurate. The inaccuracy is about 30%. But now with the semiconductor technology, the sensor will become very accurate because we have the MCU to do a calibration of the sensor. So the sensor will become more accurate. So next I'd like to talk about the wireless communication. People say that by year 2020 there will be 24 billion, or say some people say about 30 billion type of device. 60% to 70% all of the connected devices will be wireless. So wireless will be the mainstream of connection in the future. So this will disrupt the technology, the automation industry today very much. Okay? no matter in which area, wireless is very important. And by year 2020, people say 27 billion of connection, and still majority of the connection is a short range, like a Wi-Fi or Bluetooth or Gigabit. But the new technology like LPWA, the low power wire area, like Sigfox or LoRa or NB-IoT, can be very long range, very low power. And this LPWA will become popular. I estimate that the LPWA will take about 10 billion devices. Hence, the market, a better market. So LPWA communication is very important. Next, I'd like to talk about the big data. This is the third disruptive technology I think that will change the IoT industry. Because of the connectivity and because of the social media, of the e-commerce, we have a lot of data. 90% of the data was created in the past 2 years. And every day, every single day, there are 2.1 extra bytes of the data are generated. Every year, about 4 zettabytes of the data are created. So, just like that. But data without insight is worse than nothing. It's useless. So the big data analytics is extremely important. Talking about the data analytics. So there are 2 kinds of data, structured and unstructured data. Most of the industrial data is a structured data. The unstructured data, like an email, like a social media, is unstructured data. But no matter it's a structured or unstructured, all data is important. But the data must be analyzed. The first step is to process it. So Hadoop will be adopted. The open source software, Hadoop will help you to digest all the data, become information. And then through the algorithm, all kinds of more than 100 different kinds of algorithms nowadays. And also with the domain knowledge. So you can turn all the information become a knowledge. And you will find the inside of the data. And the insight will help you to make a wise decision, to improve your efficiency or improve or transform your business. So the big data analytics is the third disruptive technology that will be happening. So I anticipate the evolution of the industrial big data analytics. All kinds of domain-oriented big data analytics algorithms will be available in the format of API, just like an iPhone. In your iPhone e-store, you have a lot of apps. And I believe all the analytics tools will become an apps. It's easy for the user to just call, to use, to analyze your data and find the insight, find the intelligence of your data you collect. So I think this is going to be a very big disruptive for the IoT technology. So 3 technologies: first, sensor; second one is the wireless networking; third one is the big data. Then, what Advantech can provide to you? In the over the past 32 years, Advantech is we focus on the hardware. We make all of the industrial computer, panel computer, HMI, sensor, I/O, all of the computer, and for automation and for the embedded world. So we divide our operation into 4 parts. First one is the embedded IoT. We make all of the module, wireless, and also the bus computer and the industrial motherboard. We have an industrial IoT product division, product group, to provide the HMI and also bus computer and also the switch, router, switch, industrial grade. And also the service IoT, we provide all the kiosk, all the panel, computer, and also for medical, in-vehicle computing, and retail. And also we have the Alliance, we have the design and the manufacturing service. All in all, we design more than 1,000 all different kind of power. And I believe some of you are my customers. You use a lot of Advantech power in the past. So what is the next for Advantech in the IoT age? Okay, this is the Advantech IoT structure, architect for the future. In the bottom, we have the device and the gateway, which we are very much, we have enjoyed the good engineering in Asia and also the good design and also the manufacturing cost. So we can make a very cost-effective hardware for you guys. But in the IoT, so in year 2014, we launched the WISE-PaaS, Platform as a Service, which including the connectivity of the hardware. We provide two kinds of connectivity. First one is the automation protocol, like the Modbus, TCP, OPC kind of device, connect to the machine, to PLC. And the second part is the IP protocol. We provide an MQTT, allow you to connect to the sensor with the WISE-PaaS facility. And also in the WISE-PaaS, we design more than 250 RESTful API to enable you to connect with the third-party cloud, like IBM Bluemix, Microsoft Azure, and also Wonderware Online Cloud. So our data are easy to move to the cloud from Snyder, Wonderware, and also IBM and Microsoft. And in the other end, we also deployed the open source data, like a NoRate, and all the dashboard facility in one package. And the WISE-PaaS will be installed automatically with all the hardware as a bundle. So a customer can use that. So we have kind of a shared economic concept. We don't sell the license, the software piece by piece. We just bundle as a membership. You can enjoy the use of the software. The purpose of the WISE-PaaS is to enable us to provide the service to the SaaS layer, our system integrator, in each vertical market. So you see from this IoT platform architect, Advantech is moving from a pure hardware company to an IoT service company, to a middleware provider, and also together. And I believe in the IoT world, in the end, the hardware company will win, not the software company. Okay. The hardware company move with the hardware, with the software, will be much easier than the software company move down to hardware. Okay. So I mentioned that the sensor is important. In order to have all the industry to design all kinds of sensors, no matter it's a motion, it's a vibration, it's a temperature, moisture, all kinds of device with the wireless capability. Advantech designed M2 modules, M2 modules. Okay, we provide the MCU, the ARM, Cortex, and MCU together with the network capability. Can be Sigfox, LoRa, Wi-Fi, Gbit, all kinds of connectivity. You just need to plug into your sensor board. You can easily design a wired sensor network, just like this. So this is what Advantech designed from a M2.com module to a wired sensor network to the customer. And this is the most new design from Advantech. It's a Y4220 with the CFOX and the LoRa connectivity, with temperature and moisture wireless. Okay? So we at Advantech will provide all kind of sensor, and also we provide an intercom for the sensor company to make their sensor as a wide sensor network. So in the end, I'd like to emphasize again that the ultimate purpose of IoT is to enhance your product quality, to improve your efficiency, and also extend your service and build your customer stickiness through the IoT technology. The last one is for the business transformation, to transform your business from a product selling company to become a service company through IoT technology. And I believe Advantech, together with the factory system, we can provide all of the necessary hardware, software modules for you. Today we have a booth. You're welcome to visit our booth outside, and our engineer is there to discuss with you how we can help you. I think in the IoT world, the customer experience is extremely important. Seeing is believing. So in Taiwan, we construct an IoT campus 2 years ago. So this IoT campus equipped our building, equipped with all kinds of sensors as an intelligent building. So you are welcome to visit our Taiwan IoT Experience Campus. And also, we will launch the second phase manufacturing unit. Our new manufacturing operation will be with the IoT Industrial 4.0 capability. So we will provide the demo site for the Industrial 4.0 in our own factory. So this is in Taiwan. You're welcome to visit Taiwan and to experience how the power of the IoT in the future. And as I mentioned that Mr. Gudobi actually is the, I would say he's the Minister of Deployment for France, because every country he visits, he sees the Prime Minister, to see the Minister of Economic Development. So last 2 months ago, I had the opportunity to meet with the Gudobi together to see the Minister of Taiwan to discuss about how CFOX can help Taiwan to transform the industry. So I'm very excited that Advantech make all of the base station computer for CFOX. So you mentioned that by year 2018, 30 countries will install, cover 90% of the GDP country. All of the base station will be provided by Advantech together with the CFOX. Okay? Last, I'd like to thank for factory system to invite me here. Actually, factory system is going to be a 30 years anniversary. I think in the past 30 years, we developed a partnership with the factory system in France, and even in their office, we install the Advantech wide space as a demo site. So customer can easily from France to connect the device we have in Taiwan through the facility we have in factory system. So I think this kind of experience, probably today we also offering outside. And the last, I'd like to share with you how the Advantech wide space work together with the OneWare. I believe today many of you are the user of OneWare, the SCADA software. The Advantech wide space provides seamless integration with the OneWare. We connect all the devices, no matter it's a MQTT or it's the TCP or mobile, and then get the data connect with the Wonderware cloud. So in the Wonderware cloud, you'll be able to do the intelligent analyze and also come out with the dashboard. So it means Advantech are work together very closely with Wonderware software. And you can see our demo outside. Okay, that's all my sharing. I really appreciate your attention, and I wish our factory system will, in the next day, we have a great success event. And I wish to see you very soon, either in Paris or Taiwan. Thank you.